welcome to my channel Enhance Your Skill. My name is Sunit Gupta. I am very much thankful to all viewers and subscribers for liking and subscribing this channel. Friends, आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो सीरीज इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर ऑप्टिकल फाइबर हायर लेवल पार्ट 3 लेकर आया हूं, जिसके माध्यम से आप अपनी स्किल्स को टेस्ट और इनहेंस कर सकते हैं। इस वीडियो में ऑप्टिकल फाइबर फील्ड से जुड़े कुछ ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर हैं जो इंटरव्यू के समय बहुत मदद कर सकते हैं। यह वीडियो पार्ट 3 है और पार्ट 1 एंड 2 के लिए कमेंट्स में दिए गए लिंक को फॉलो करें। फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 वीडियोस। There are total 31 questions. If you wish to see the answers of these questions, please watch part 1 and part 2 videos. Answer of all 31 questions already covered in part 1 and 2 video. Now let's move to question and answer session part 3. Question: what is measurement unit of optical power? Answer: optical power is measured in linear units of milliwatts, microwatts, nanowatts, or decibels dB. Next question: what is dB? Answer: fiber optic power measurements are generally made in a log scale of decibels or dB, actually named after Alexander Graham Bell. The equation is actually dB equal to 10 log power 1 upon power 2. Next question: what is difference between dBm and dB? Answer: dB, decibel, is calculated on a log scale using this formula, power dB equal to 10 log power 1 upon power 2. If we are measuring absolute power levels with respect to reference point, the measurement is generally reference to 1 milliwatt is expressed as dBm, and the calculation becomes power dBm equal to 10 log power upon 1 milliwatt. Thus 1 milliwatt equal to 0 dBm, 1 microwatt equal to minus 30 dBm, 1 nanowatt equal to minus 60 dBm. 10 times more power is plus 10 dB and 100 times less is minus 20 dB, etc. Next question: what is attenuation in fiber optic system? Answer: this attenuation or loss for a given wavelength is defined as the ratio between the input power and the output power of the fiber being measured and expressed in decibel dB. That is, attenuation in dB equal to 10 log 10 power out upon power in. Next question: what are main causes for attenuation of optical power in a fiber? Answer: attenuation of optical power in fiber has three main causes: scattering, absorption, and bending. Scattering causes dispersion of the light energy in all directions, with some of the light escaping the fiber core. And absorption: light is absorbed in the fiber material as its energy is converted to heat due to molecular resonance and wavelength impurities. Next question: if signal lost 50% power, then what will be the attenuation in dB? Answer: attenuation in dB equal to 10 log power out upon power in. Power out is 50 and power in is 100. Then it will be minus 10 log 2. Then attenuation in dB equal to minus 3 dB. Next question: if signal lost 99% power, then what will be the attenuation in dB? Answer: attenuation in dB equal to 10 log power out upon power in. Power out is 1, power in is 100. Then power attenuation in dB equal to minus 20 dB. Next question: what is attenuator? Answer: attenuator is a device that reduces signal power in a fiber optic link by inducing loss. Next question: What is dynamic range of optical power meter? Answer: the difference between the maximum input and the minimum sensitivity of the power meter is termed the dynamic range. Typical dynamic range requirements for power meters are as follows. For telephony application, the dynamic range is plus 20 dBm to minus 70 dBm. CATV applications, the dynamic range is plus 26 dBm to minus 55 dBm. For LAN applications, the range is minus 20 dBm to minus 60 dBm. Next question. What is optical loss per kilometer in optical fiber cable at 1310 nanometer wavelength? Answer: it should be about 0.3 dB per kilometer in good healthy optical fiber cable. Next question. What is optical loss per kilometer in optical fiber cable at 1550 nanometer wavelength? Answer: it should be about 0.2 dB per kilometer in good healthy optical fiber cable. Next question. What is optical return loss? Answer: light reflected from the cleaved or polished end of a fiber caused by the difference of refractive indices of air and glass is called optical return loss, expressed in dB relative to incident power. Next question. What is bit error rate, BER? Answer: bit error rate, BER, is the fraction of data bits transmitted that are received in error. Next question. What is dispersion in data transmission system? Answer: dispersion is also known as pulse spreading or pulse broadening. As the light signal travels in the fiber, the light pulse will spread or broaden. This is called optic dispersion. Due to dispersion effect, the light pulse tend to overlap and are no longer distinguishable by the receiver as zeros or ones, result in errors, loss of information. There are three types of dispersion in optical fiber media. One, modal dispersion. Second, chromatic dispersion. Third, material polarization mode dispersion. Next question. What is reason of modal dispersion in fiber optic and how can we control it? Answer: modal dispersion typically occurs with multimode fiber. The modes means specific electromagnetic spectrum that enter at sharp angles in the optical fiber are called high order modes. These modes take much longer time to travel through the fiber than the low order modes and therefore contribute to modal dispersion. One way to reduce modal dispersion is to use graded index fiber. Modal dispersion can be completely eliminated by using a single mode fiber. Next question. What is reason of chromatic dispersion in fiber optic and how can we control it? Answer. Chromatic dispersion results from the spectral width of the emitter. The spectral width determines the number of different wavelengths that are emitted from the LEDs or laser, each traveling at different speeds down the fiber. These different propagation speeds broaden the light pulse when it arrives at the receiver, reducing the signal to noise ratio and increasing bit errors. One way to decrease chromatic dispersion is to narrow the spectral width of the transmitter. Next question. What is reason of material polarization mode dispersion? Answer. The main causes of polarization mode dispersion (PMD) are non-circularities of the fiber design and extremely applied stresses on the fiber, macro bending, micro bending, twisting and temperature variations. Next question. What is power budget in fiber optic link? Answer. The difference in dB between the transmitted optical power in dBm and the receiver sensitivity in dBm is the power budget in fiber optic link. Next question. What is optical power working margin of optical fiber link system? Answer. The difference in dB between the power budget and the loss budget is called optical power working margin, that is the excess power margin of optical fiber link system. Link power working margin equal to power budget minus loss budget. Power budget average transmitter output minus receiver sensitivity. Loss budget means cable plant link loss. Hence, link power working margin equal to average transmitter output minus receiver sensitivity minus cable plant link loss. Next question. Calculate the link power working margin or link loss margin of a link if following inputs are given. Operating wavelength 1300 nanometer, fiber type multimode mode, receiver sensitivity minus 31 dBm, average transmitter output minus 16 dBm, cable plant link loss 11 dB, and find out link loss margin. Link loss margin equal to link power working margin equal to power budget minus loss budget, and power budget is average transmitter output minus receiver sensitivity, which is minus 16 dBm minus receiver sensitivity. Receiver sensitivity is minus 31 dBm and cable plant loss is 11 dB. Then it's equal to 4 dB. Hence, link loss margin equal to 4 dB. Next question, calculate the fiber loss, total link loss, attenuation and maintenance margin of 80 km. Given transmitter power of STM16 equipment minus 1.5 dBm, receiver sensitivity of STM16 equipment minus 27.2 dBm, splice loss is 0.07 dB per splice loss, connector loss equal to 0.6 dB per connector. Attenuation of fiber cable at 1550 nanometer wavelength equal to 0.23 dB per kilometer. Answer. Fiber loss of 80 km link at 1550 nanometer wavelength will be 0.23 dB per kilometer splice. Attenuation of fiber cable multiplied by the length 80 km, which comes 18.4 dB. Hence, fiber loss of 80 km link at 1550 nanometer is 18.4 dB. Total loss of link 80 km equal to connector loss plus fiber cable loss plus splice loss. Connector loss, there will be two connectors and loss is per connector is 0.6 dB, hence 0.6 dB multiplied by two numbers. And we know the fiber loss of 80 km, which is 18.4 dB, and splice loss 80 km divided by 4 kilometers is a splicing at every 4 km minus 1 multiplied by splicing loss 0.07 dB. Hence, that comes 20, total will become 20.93 dB. Hence, total loss of link 80 km is 20.93 dB. Next, maintenance margin equal to transmit power minus receiver sensitivity power minus total link loss equal to transmit power is minus 1.5 dBm, receiver sensitivity power is minus 27.2 dBm, and total link loss already calculated is 20.93 dB. Hence, maintenance margin will be 4.77 dB. Thanks friend for watching this channel. Enhance your skill. I hope you like this video. तो फिर मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो के साथ. Please like and subscribe this channel for more videos in future. Thank you so much. Thanks from Enhance Your Skill channel.